I'm Heather from Parkway Sleep, and this is the Airfit P10 by Resmed mask that you have chosen for your therapy. This is a very, very minimal mask with a very small headgear. It consists of just 3 parts: the pillows, the frame system, which also goes under here, and then that headgear. To put this one on appropriately, you will pull it up and then separate this headgear. So one piece goes at the top of your head and one goes a little bit behind that little notch on the back of your head. To clean this mask, the pillows just pop right out like so, and you will wash these in the sink when you wash your hands just with an antibacterial hand soap, or if you have sensitive skin, you can use a non-scented baby shampoo. These buds will sit in your nostrils, and that is where you will get all of your therapy from. You will wash these daily, and you'll make sure you get any gunk off of it, any oil, so you get a good seal at night. The frame system and the headgear will be washed weekly, and you can use that same shampoo or hand soap that you used for your pillows for the rest of your mask and the rest of all of your supplies. It connects to your tubing like so, and you can just squeeze back off. This mask, the headgear, because it is so minimal, sometimes can stretch out a little more quickly than other masks due to over tightening. If that does happen, you can put it in some hot water, let it soak for a little bit, and it will shrink a little bit to make it able to be more comfortably used again.
This is how you attach your headgear to your frame. Sometimes when you get your frame, it does not have the headgear attached, and you have to attach your headgear from your previous mask to your new frame. So first you're going to unclip it by just sliding that fabric out from under that plastic piece there. Then you just slide that off. You would then wash your headgear, and again, if it gets too stretched out, you just use really hot water, it shrinks it back down, but then you just slide it back onto the frame all the way down to the end, and then just slide it up under that plastic piece there, and it's secured. You can kind of snug, you can pull it, make sure it's snug, and you're good to go.